Welcome to Rob Talks. Thank you all for your support. Here's the translation from the Mayan calendar for January 28, 2026 for all three calendars. First up is the long count calendar, which is being represented by 13 Baktun, 0 Katun, 13 Tun, 2 Uinol, and the Tzolk'in. This long count marks a reset within continuation. You have crossed a subtle threshold and are now moving forward with calmer footing. The Tzolk'in is reflecting a new phase of movement beginning, one that's balanced, steady, and relational. The intensity of the previous days softens into steadiness. This is a day to re-establish rhythm and allow your nervous system to settle. You're being asked to reintroduce a routine or structure gently and to make one grounded, supportive decision. This is the time to focus on cooperation rather than urgency and to allow integration to happen naturally. Before I move on to the Tzolk'in calendar, I'm also translating the entire Tzolk'in 13-day cycle in its own video. If you're interested, I'll link it at the end of this one. Today's Tzolk'in date is 11 Manik. Manik is represented by the deer. It's about grounded strength, spiritual tools, integrity, and service. The number 11 is about resolution, refinement, and simplifying complexity. Together, 11 Manik brings calm, centered strength. This is the energy of the spiritual steward, the one who stands firmly without force. After intensity and release, Manik restores balance through presence and ethical alignment. This is a powerful day to stand in your truth, quietly. You're being asked to align your actions with personal integrity, and to offer service without overextending. It's also a time to refine commitments and to keep only what is essential. Now let's see what the Hob calendar has to say. Today's date is 15 Sek. Sek is about clearing residue and restoring equilibrium. Day 14 is about deep integration of purification work. Together, 15 Sek supports stabilization after cleansing. What has been released no longer needs attention. It's now that the body, mind, and spirit recalibrates. This is a day of quiet realignment rather than active clearing. You're being asked to create calm in your environment, and to allow emotions to settle without over-analysis. Now let's look at what the collective message is from all three calendars. Here's the meaning of each calendar summed up. The long count is about a reset that restores steadiness and forward motion, and the Tzolk'in is about integrity, grounded service, and spiritual stability. The Hob calendar reflects integration of purification into calm balance. Collectively, the energy now stabilizes. After intense emotional and energetic movement, the field settles into grounded presence. This is a day for communities, systems, and individuals to regain balance and to refine intentions and to move forward without force. Strength now comes from steadiness and not of urgency. Today's message to you is that you don't need to push today. Stand where you are with integrity and calmness. Your presence alone is enough. Know that what you stabilized within yourself over the past days is now holding. This is the time to trust that. Continue to move forward, gently and deliberately. Here is an affirmation reflecting today's calendars, but please first remember to give us a thumbs up and to subscribe to help us grow. Thank you. Now here's the affirmation. I move forward with calm strength and grounded integrity. Thank you all for your support.